You slap a small square of adhesive onto your bicep, and suddenly you feel like a genius who can finish a 10-page report in 20 minutes. That is the dream being sold by these new dopamine patches popping up all over social media and college campuses lately. People are desperate for a shortcut to productivity. We all want that magic pill, or in this case, a magic sticker. The marketing is slick and the promises are huge. They tell you that you can bypass procrastination just by wearing a patch. It sounds like science fiction come to life. But when you peel back the adhesive and look at the actual biology, things get messy very fast. Our brains are incredibly protective of their internal chemistry. There's a gatekeeper called the blood-brain barrier. Its entire job is to keep random substances from floating into your gray matter. Dopamine is a large molecule. If you put it on your skin, it simply cannot travel through your bloodstream and sneak into your brain. It is physically blocked. Even if you swallowed a bucket of pure dopamine, it would not make you more focused. It cannot get to where it needs to be. The patches usually contain things like green tea extract and some basic vitamins. These are fine ingredients. You can find them in a standard multivitamin at any grocery store for pennies. But when you put them in a fancy patch and call it a neurotransmitter boost, the price. The psychology here is the real story. Humans are susceptible to the placebo effect. If you believe a sticker makes you a productivity machine, you might actually work harder. You are essentially paying for a very expensive physical reminder to stay off your phone. It is a psychological anchor. You see the patch on your arm and you tell yourself it is time to work. That mental shift is powerful, but it is coming from your own will and not the ingredients in the adhesive. It is fascinating how much we are willing to spend on a placebo. We want to believe there is a biological hack for our lazy afternoons. The truth is much more boring. Real focus comes from sleep and environment and habit. These patches are taking over forums because they look cool and they feel futuristic. Students are always looking for an edge during finals week, but the science just does not hold up under any real scrutiny. If these worked the way they claimed, it would be a medical revolution. Instead, it is a wellness novelty. It is a sticker that costs as much as a fancy dinner. You are buying a vibe rather than a chemical change. It is important to look at the ingredients list before jumping on these trends. Often you are just buying vitamins with a massive markup. The hype cycle moves so fast that we forget to check the basic biology. A patch on your skin cannot rewrite your brain chemistry in an afternoon. It might make you feel more motivated for an hour because of the excitement of trying something new. That excitement wears off and you are left with the same old distractions. We need to be more skeptical of products that promise to fix complex mental hurdles with a simple sticker. It is a clever business model. Sell a solution to a problem everyone has, use some scientific-sounding words to wrap it up, then watch the orders roll in from people who just want to feel better. If you find value in having a physical reminder to focus, then maybe it is worth it to you. But do not expect a neurological transformation. Your brain produces its own dopamine for a reason. It is a delicate system. It does not need a sticker to function properly. We should focus on the things that actually move the needle, like deep work and cutting out distractions. A sticker is just a band-aid on a much larger issue. We struggle with how we manage our time and energy in a world full of noise. Let us look at why we fall for this over and over again. We live in an age of instant gratification. We want the results without the grind. If a patch promises to fix your mood, it sounds much easier than going for a run or eating a balanced meal. The companies selling these know exactly how to target our insecurities. They use sleek packaging and testimonials from influencers who might just be feeling the rush of a brand deal. When you read those reviews about people suddenly feeling a surge of energy, it is likely the power of suggestion. Our minds are capable of creating physical sensations based on expectations. This is why in drug trials use sugar pills. If you think the patch is pumping you full of motivation, your brain might just decide to stop being lazy for an hour. But that is you doing the work, not the sticker. You could probably get the same effect by drawing a star on your wrist with a marker. It would cost nothing and would not involve misleading claims about neurotransmitters. The science of the central nervous system is incredibly dense. It is not something you can hack with a topical application of green tea extract. We have to be smarter about where we put our trust and our money. Next time you see a viral productivity hack, ask yourself if it violates basic human biology. If it sounds too good to be true, it almost certainly is. Real mental clarity is earned through discipline and care. It is not something you can buy in a pack of 30 stickers from a website. Be careful with your wallet and your brain.